Hi, this is Shushil. In the last video, I taught you about bubble chart. In today's video, I'll be teaching you about how can you insert pictures in charts. So let us see our data. So this is my data. We have given you some month-wise sale. This is the countries: India sale, Australia, Croatia, and Dubai. So this is the data. According to this data, I would like to prepare a graph of this. You can download this sample file from my description. So the steps you have to do is just click inside and press Ctrl A, click on insert and click on this icon. This icon is called as your dialog box. Then click on all charts. I'll go for a normal graph, that is column graph and clustered, and I'll just say OK. So this is my graph. So I'll just place it down below. I'll just make it a little bigger, adjustment. Yeah. I'll just go for my chart design also, and black background I'm going. So it looks better. Yeah. So this is how I want it. Okay. Then this month is there. You can make it a little bigger. Just click format, home, increase the size. Then same thing with the legend, that India, Australia and all. Click home, size. So I have done the things and all those things. Now this blue color is India ka sale. This maroon color is Australia. This is Croatia ka sale. This green color and maroon is your Dubai ka sale. Now I want the India's flag, each country's flag should be shown over here. So that is the topic that I'm doing over here. Insert pictures and charts. For that you just click on this blue color. That is my India ka sale. After that you right click and come over here, format data series. After that you click on this icon. This icon is called as fill and line. Then click on fill and come here, picture, and then click on insert. So you have two options over here. If you have that images on your computer, you can get it from here, from a file. Suppose I say I want it from the net, so I'll just click on online picture. So then it will ask me which picture you want. I'll just type here India flag. So that's what I wanted over here. And then enter. So it gives me all India flag. Now this is the image I wanted. So you can click. So I've clicked on this India flag and then click on insert. So you can see that that India flag will be shown over here. See. Next is Australia. So I can click on this bar. This image, this is already open, so I'll just click on picture, then click on insert. You can see that India flag will be getting. Last what you use, that will come, because I want Australia. Insert. Again you say online picture, because I'm taking it from the net. If you have that images on your PC, you can download from there, from file. So I'm just taking Australia flag. Enter. So these are the preview show me. So whichever flag you want from here, you can click. So I'll just go for this, insert. So you can see Australia flag is also come. Next is Croatia. So I click on this again, on this green color. Click on picture. Click on picture and then insert. Online picture. Then you say Croatia. So this is Croatia ka flag. Yeah, this one. Click. Insert. And one was there, that is Dubai. So I can click on this maroon color and I can click on picture. Click on insert. Online picture. So this is Dubai's flag. Click on insert. So I've got all the images over here. Just close this, not required. So then you can make it a little bigger. Just drag it from here. You can use your mouse and drag it. So this is how this it should look actually, your image. With the images you'll get it actually. I've put the flags of the countries actually over here. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.